Have you ever wondered if a simple cup of green tea could hold the key to unlocking greater energy, vitality, and even a slimmer waistline? Across centuries and cultures, green tea has been cherished for its subtle flavor and soothing qualities. But modern science is revealing something even more remarkable. This ancient beverage may actually help you burn fat and transform your approach to weight loss. Let's dive deep into the fascinating world of green tea and uncover the secrets behind its reputation as a natural metabolism booster. For millions of people striving to lose weight, the journey can feel overwhelming. There's a constant search for effective, sustainable solutions, something that fits into your daily routine without extreme restrictions or complicated regimens. Green tea stands out as a simple yet powerful addition. But what makes green tea so special? Why do nutritionists, fitness experts, and wellness enthusiasts praise its benefits? The answers lie in its unique components, particularly catechins and caffeine. Let's start with catechins. These are natural antioxidants, a type of flavonoid found in high concentrations in green tea leaves. The most abundant and biologically active catechin is called epigallocatechin gallati, or EGCG for short. EGCG is a powerhouse compound with significant health benefits. When you drink green tea, you're giving your body a potent dose of these antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and support overall well-being. But what does this have to do with weight loss? The answer is truly fascinating. Catechins, especially EGCG, have been shown to increase the rate at which your body burns calories, even when you're at rest. This effect is known as thermogenesis, the process by which your body generates heat and energy from digesting food. When thermogenesis ramps up, your body burns more calories, making it easier to create the calorie deficit necessary for weight loss. Scientific studies have found that people who consume green tea extract or drink multiple cups of green tea daily experience a noticeable increase in their metabolic rate. Now, let's talk about caffeine. While green tea contains less caffeine than coffee, it still offers a gentle boost that can enhance alertness and energy levels. Combined with catechins, caffeine works synergistically to further stimulate fat breakdown. Here's how it works. Caffeine signals the nervous system to break down fat cells and release them into the bloodstream, where they can be used as energy. This dual action of catechins and caffeine makes green tea an effective natural aid for burning fat, especially during exercise. But the benefits don't stop there. Research suggests that drinking green tea can help target visceral fat, the harmful fat that accumulates around your organs and increases your risk of chronic diseases. By consistently reducing this type of fat, green tea supports not only weight loss, but also long-term health and vitality. You might be wondering if these effects are just theoretical or if real-world evidence backs them up. Let's look at one of the most compelling studies on green tea and weight loss. In a landmark 12-week clinical trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, participants were divided into two groups. One group drank a beverage containing green tea extract rich in catechins, while the other group consumed a placebo drink. Both groups followed the same diet and exercise routine. By the end of the study, the group that consumed the green tea extract lost significantly more weight, averaging nearly 3 kilograms, or about 6.6 pounds, compared to the placebo group. They also experienced greater reductions in waist circumference and body fat percentage. This powerful result demonstrates just how effective green tea can be when combined with healthy lifestyle choices. Of course, it's important to remember that green tea isn't a magic bullet. It works best as part of a balanced approach, alongside nutritious meals, regular activity, and proper sleep. Drinking green tea consistently, rather than expecting overnight results, is key to unlocking its full potential. Most research suggests that consuming 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day is enough to see benefits, though this can vary depending on your individual tolerance to caffeine and personal health needs. Beyond weight loss, green tea offers a rich array of health benefits that can revitalize your body and mind. Its antioxidants help fight inflammation, support heart health, and may even lower the risk of certain cancers. Some studies indicate that regular green tea consumption can boost brain function, enhance mood, and improve focus, all of which contribute to a more vibrant, energetic life. With every sip, you're not just supporting your waistline, you're nourishing your entire body. So, how can you incorporate green tea into your routine? It's as easy as preparing a fresh cup in the morning or afternoon, enjoying it hot or iced, plain or with a squeeze of lemon. If you're new to green tea, start with a mild variety and gradually explore different blends until you find your favorite. For those who prefer convenience, high-quality green tea extracts are also available in capsule form, but it's always wise to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Let's recap the key points we've explored about green tea and its role in transforming your vitality. Green tea is rich in catechins, particularly EGCG, which enhance thermogenesis and increase calorie burning. Its natural caffeine content works alongside catechins to stimulate fat breakdown, making it easier for your body to shed unwanted pounds. Clinical studies have shown that regular green tea consumption can lead to greater weight loss, reduced body fat, and a slimmer waistline, especially when combined with healthy habits. And beyond weight loss, green tea's antioxidants deliver a host of benefits for your heart, brain, and overall health. If you're looking for a simple, delicious way to support your weight loss journey and boost your vitality, green tea is a proven, science-backed choice. Make it a consistent part of your daily routine, and let its centuries-old wisdom fuel your transformation. If you found these insights helpful and want to learn more about the science of health, nutrition, and wellness, be sure to subscribe for more empowering information. Your journey to greater vitality starts with a single cup. Why not begin today?